The one thing that I feel is a little bit different about me in a sense of just being an agency owner is I'm not just going to my clients and saying, here's how you run an ad, here's why we run an ad, here's why it's effective and blah, 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 and your ROI. That's incredibly important, don't get me wrong. But I spend more time getting to know my clients and who they speak to. Because like I said, I only have 2,500 friends on Facebook. Ooh, I don't have 5,000. Oh, well. But the point is that those 2,500 people all have a purpose. Just like how a lot of my clients, their personal profile might only have 1,000, 1,200 friends, and their fan pages have tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of people. But they've never looked at their personal profile as a gold mine of information, of connections, of people who can help them take that next step. It could be a contributorship to a popular publication. It could be a feature in a book, or it could just be that they're going through a bad point in their life and someone in that group is a great listener and that's all they're looking for. So yeah, I discuss these things with my clients because we don't just talk about business. I'm creating friendships with my clients. That's why they stay with me for so long. So we go deeper than just saying, how'd your webinar do yesterday?